In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Collaborator in Vercel. By the end, you will know exactly where to go in your dashboard, how to send an invite, and how to choose the right level of access for your teammates so they can start contributing with confidence. First, open your Vercel dashboard. At the very top left, you'll see a switcher that lets you move between your personal workspace and any teams you are part of. Make sure you select the correct team here. This matters because invitations are tied to a specific team, not your personal account. If you are working across multiple organizations or projects, double-check you are on the team that owns the project your collaborator needs to access. Next, look to the top navigation bar and click on the Settings tab. This is the control center for your team. It's where you will find options for team configuration, billing, security, and access. Depending on your own permissions, some sections may be view-only, but you should still be able to manage members if you have the appropriate rights. On the left sidebar within Settings, click Members. This page lists everyone who currently has access to your team along with their roles. It's a great place to quickly confirm who can do what. And it's also where you'll send new invitations. Now, enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Use the email they actively use for work so they don't miss the notification. You don't need to add any personal details here. Vercel will handle the rest once the invite is sent, before sending the invitation. Choose a role. Member is typically the best choice for day-to-day contributors who need to deploy, manage projects, and collaborate. Owner is intended for administrators who require full control, including sensitive settings and team management. As a best practice, grant the least level of access that still allows the person to be effective. You can always adjust a role later from the Members page if responsibilities change. When you are ready, click the Invite button. Vercel will send an email to the address you provided, and the person will appear as pending in your members list until they accept. If they don't see the email right away, it may take a moment to arrive, and filters can sometimes delay it. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.